Hello, 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 hello. Checking the sound. Checking the sound. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, I think it's working. So, hi, welcome back to the this channel. And today we're going to learn something else in Flipper software. And if you haven't been watching me, I've been building the business software for many years. And it has been a while. It has been a lot of work, but finally we're able to now ship very fast, and we're able to go to the market very fast. Flipper software is a software that is built by Rwandan for Rwandans, and it's going to change how you do business, and it's going to make you think differently your businesses. So it's a software that is already integrated with the Rwanda Revenue Authority, and is a software that is now shaping how business work. So you don't have to have many software to do your businesses. It's just one software that has accounting, that has the whole functionalities you need to run your businesses. Without further ado, let me share the screen and show you how the Flipper works. So a Flipper POS. But we understand not everyone is in the POS mode. For example, the bar. So if you have been in a bar work slightly different to the traditional businesses. For example, you have different venues and they call it the maybe main tellers, and they can call it maybe you know the main bar. It can have different venues, and those venues has tables. And as a bar owner, you want to understand, okay, how many customer do I have on the main bar? Who is serving those customers? So that you can do a checkup and understand how the main bar has been served, and how these customers are satisfied, or if they've received all the things they have requested for the business owners. Okay, enough of explanation. Let's go to the flipper and show you how you can turn this existing POS to the bar mode. So the way I do that, I go to the settings, and once I go to the settings, then I go down a little bit to the tab table service, or what we call bar mode. So once you go there, I want you to pay attention to this button. So you can see that it's already disabled, meaning that my business was not operating as a bar. But if I want, I can turn these existing free parts to the bar. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I click on that, and it has now more options. So you can always toggle this if you want, but you can read them and understand how they work. So I want to go to the details right now. So what I want to show you now is how you can now configure the tables you have on each floor, and how you can set up the table number, seats, or what we call seats. So you can see the main bar, we have B1, and it has two seats. We have B2, it has two seats. We have B3, it has two seats, and so forth. And if we go to tellers, which is T1, we can see that we have four seats and so on, six. So you can configure the table you want, and you can give it a number of seats available. So once you're okay with that, you can now directly navigate to the bar. So at the bottom here, we can see that open POS with the bar mode. So you click on that button. Now the software is going to now activate the bar mode. So the good things about this is that now you can have many caches. You can have like 7 caches, and each cache is assigned to the different venue of your businesses, maybe the main bar, or the tellers, or any other venues. or that once you're done, now a cashier walking to the central computer where they log their orders. So you click as a cashier, you click on your name, and then each cashier has the pin. So I am going to put my pin, which is 157307. And once I put the pin, it's going to now open. This is really amazing. So you remember the table we configured on each floor. So we have the main bar, and we have the terrace, we have the VIP lounge, and so on. So now, as a cashier or as a waiter, let's call it a waiter. As a waiter, I I log in and I see all open floors that has no one sitting on the tables. So when I hover that, you can see that I can be able to open the tab, and I can see a number of people that can sit on that table. So remember, we configured those people before, switching to the bar mode. So let's say that I want to serve the people on B2. I click on that, and once I click on that, it's going to open the product that I'm going to search. And so I don't have the beer, but maybe someone want to eat the blade somewhere. So I can search that pen coupe, so which is a weird example. I know, but you can search any product. And the good thing is that every time I add item to that table, it's going to show you how who has logged this item to that table. So once I'm satisfied, I can save to the tab, right? And once I save to the tab, I can, you know, can walk away and keep my businesses. So I can always log back to the same 157307. And once I log in, you remember that B2 now has the item, so you can see that it has one item logged to that table. So at this time, I should have taken this item and delivered to the table and make sure the customer is satisfied. I can keep doing the same things. I can keep doing going to different tables, serve them, and make sure that everything is done. So once you are done with serving the customer on the table, and the customer is as a point of making the payment. So what you do here, once you do, you come here. Now you can settle the bill. So settling the bill is either done by the till manager. So luckily, me myself as a waiter, I'm also having the permission to be the manager. But ideally, the till manager is not the same as the waiter. So if that is the case, then the till manager will be the one responsible to handle this till and close it. So when you are about to close this deal, you have two options. You need to select how you have received this amount that you are going to be paid. Is it either by cash or is it either by mobile money? And once you're done, you put the phone number of the customer, and you can even put the amount you have received here. You can click exact. It's going to fill the same total due to this. Then you put the phone number here, and I'm gonna put my phone number 7830s. No, so okay, I don't want to share my number here, so I remember that I should not be sharing my phone number publicly. But you want to put the phone number here, and once you're done, you're going to print the RRA receipts or ABM receipts. Remember, I told you that this software is already integrated to the RRA, so you don't have to be worried about tax reporting and everything. So I think that's what I had on this stream, and I hope you liked the video. And if you like the video, thumbs up and share to any business owner this video. that you know that it can save him hours.